Sometimes in winter, we get sucked into like really dark colors. Now, all of the other outfits are dark colors, but I would have reblogged this outfit on Tumblr. Do you know what I mean? Easiest way that you're gonna stay warm is by keeping your extremities warm. When it's closed, it still looks cool, but the brown and then the... Yeah. This is proof that all of this is true because I wore this out in London 2 days ago and I was not cold and I was wearing shorts. So, there's actually a big tip here. I want to see that on. Yay. It's very, very, very warm. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Over on the community tab, I asked you guys if you wanted some winter outfit inspo. Now, I feel like the general consensus on winter fashion is very 50-50. You either love it because you can layer loads or you hate it because you have to layer loads and then suddenly all of your cute outfits are covered by massive coats. So today I thought I would show you 5 outfits that are all quite different from each other but still follow my 2 very important rules for winter. 1, warmth, and 2, cuteness, or just stylish, because some of them aren't cute but they are stylish. So let's kick it off with something a little bit simple. Let's work our way up. Okay, now my first #1 thing, obviously the main takeaway here is layers. Like, I don't feel like I need to mansplain that to you, but something I've been loving recently is put on really comfortable like joggers or sweatpants over baggy jeans. Not only does it keep you warm, but it actually does kind of like create a cooler silhouette with the jeans. Are they gonna stay? No, jeans. Oh yeah. And I'm actually gonna keep this t-shirt on for this first outfit just because I like the white with it. Hello. And this jumper, sometimes in winter, unless this is your style, then that's totally fine. We get sucked into like really dark colors. Now, all of the other outfits are dark colors, but there's something about this orange. It's not a wintry color at all, but I think it's really cute. Wearing brighter colors in the winter can make your outfits pop. Obviously, you could also wear like a turtleneck with this and it would work 100 times better, or even a shirt. Very easy and straightforward outfit #1. Accessories wise, easiest way that you're gonna stay warm is by keeping your extremities warm. This one's so simple, but cut to the try on. Now this is very me. This is very me. Whoa, hello. Falling over is very me, apparently. Woohoo! Oh yeah, I feel so cozy and warm. And the way I can feel the joggers, it's like I'm at home. I could fall asleep right now. And this is what I mean about like really simple outfits. Sometimes they're the best. Maybe it's not next week, but the week after. I think I'm doing low effort outfits. Like this would be one of them. It's like a low effort outfit, but I still feel like it gives. Unsure what, but something. Okay, outfit dos. I don't even know if that's outfit #2. Let's shake it up a bit and do a skirt outfit. Because I'm going to prove to you, you can wear a skirt in the winter. Do you want to know why? Because flesh colored tights exist, okay? I know it's harder to find tights that match your skin tone because the shade range out there is actually crazy. It's like worse than foundation. But once you found your holy grail, you'll never go back, trust me. The main thing in this outfit is the skirt, right? It's a wrap skirt, but can you see that it's like fabric? So it's so much warmer. It's all fabric. Do you know what I mean? Like this kind of textured stuff, it makes my outfits feel more like cozy and warm and it gives me that winter vibe. Item #1. I couldn't find my white turtleneck, so I'm gonna go with this gray one with, what's this? Oh my god, it's my merch. That's crazy. No, but genuinely I'm picked this because it's the only navy t-shirt I have. Cute. And that ties in the colors there. And then the most amazing thing that I found is this big like chunky knit cardigan that's like greeny navy. It's gonna be so cozy. All of this together, I would have reblogged this outfit on Tumblr. Do you know what I mean? And then on top of that, I'm going full out with the coziness. This scarf, which I've been told looks like a Gru scarf. Don't want to hear it. These gloves that I got from a charity shop and then I cut the fingers off. And leg warmers. This is gonna be so cutesy. Anyone else been seeing TikToks on the For You page talking about that one Rita Ora song? Anywhere away with you. OMG, I'm so excited. Please go try this on. I can't wait to see what this looks like. This one is so cute, guys. Look at this. Again, I'm gonna have to put pictures up. This is just so comfy. This is the leg warmer. Yep, it exists, I promise. Oh, I should add the scarf. I mean, come on. Don't I look like the most cozy person on the planet? This outfit gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm sorry. It's so warm and cozy. I actually love it. I don't feel like I'm wearing a skirt. Okay, we're on to outfit 4 now. Let's go back to a chill one. This one I'm very excited for because it has a tie. Okay, first up, these pair of jeans. Oh yeah, general rule of thumb, just wear leggings under everything. My main thing is that I like to keep more layers under so I don't have to wear jackets and coats. I hate wearing coats over my clothes. Boom. Thermal. Then over that, cool graphic tee. Then on top of that, this shirt. And because I really like mixing patterns and also I wanted to have a tie, so then that will go with that. And these browns go with this. Either I'll button it all the way up if it's really cold, but realistically I will button like the first two and then have it open so you can see the brown shirt underneath to make it match. Yes, guys. And then because I keep forgetting to wear this, but it's really cool, wear this with it. That's it. How are you guys liking the outfit so far? If you're liking them, you should like and subscribe. Tie outfit. Oh yeah. But do you see what I mean now? When it's closed, it still looks cool, but the brown and then the... Yeah. This is a very me outfit, I think. I feel cool. I look cool. Subscribe. So I went to see Dan and Phil on tour with my friends and it was great. We got so drunk. Really sorry if you were at Dan and Phil London night 2. No, we were having the time of our lives, so actually pack it in. I am wearing tights in this outfit again. This is proof that all of this is true because I wore this out in London 2 days ago and I was not cold and I was wearing shorts. So, normalize wearing shorts in the middle of winter because I want to wear leg warmers, but I don't want to wear a skirt all the time. Number one, I wore this. It's originally from ASOS, but I got it in a charity shop because it reminded me of the like tour promo material. I wore my Doctor Who t-shirt over it. Doctor Who t-shirt at the Dan and Phil tour? What? Fort Fanning Kitchen? That's crazy. So it looked like this. And then these are the shorts, which I cut from a pair of jeans. These, which are a pair of jeans that I turned into leg warmers. You're seeing a pattern here. Hell yeah. Wha-bam. Pretty solid outfit. You can see my hair getting messier and messier by each outfit. I love this one. I mean, I already knew because I've already worn it and I think it's cool. In the actual theatre, it was quite warm, so I just took this off and I had the crop top on underneath. Very cute. I think that's also another good key thing about layers. If you go into places that are too warm, you can always take a layer off and your outfit still looks good. So there will be a vlog coming out soon, by the way. I just have to edit it. I vlogged the whole thing. One thing I will say though, I don't hate winter, but I am excited to be summer again, or spring even, because I'm sick of recording videos in horrible lighting because the sun is disappeared, but I try. So go ahead and leave a comment and tell me how amazing I am anyways. There's actually a big tip here. Other than all the other things I've said, another easy way to make an outfit more interesting or like good during the winter but still be warm is make your statement pieces like the jacket or the hoodie. I have a fleece. I have this fleece that I got from a charity shop as well. That and then just like layers means you don't really have to try to make the outfit good, but you're still warm. Yeah, but speaking of, I found this cool fleece again from a charity shop. Wow, that's where I get all my clothes. So yeah, so I'm layering it with this long sleeve. So this is the like statement piece, and then I'm gonna wear it with my trusty wrap skirt. So that's that. And then to brighten it up a bit, pair it with this hat, these leg warmers, and then these hand warmers. So overall, very cute. If I if I layer these, yeah, that will make more sense, I think. I'll try that. I want to see that on. Yay. Oh my god, this one is so cute. The hat is kind of carrying, but I think the overall silhouette and everything, I just love. Like the baggy, the zip, and then the skirt. And like I did the thing that I think it helps tie the leg warmers in. Wait. Cozy. It's very, very, very warm. This outfit is great for me as well because I've just planned my next like 5 outings, which is the whole month covered. And those are all my outfits. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, make sure to give a like and subscribe. If you really like the way that I style things, why don't you let me style you and buy a style bundle? And if not, I have merch out. It's cool. You can buy it. You get a thank you video from me, which is cool. And finally, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday on Twitch, so make sure to go follow me there. I will see you next week. We've got a really fun DIY video coming out next week. Thank you to my supporters on the website. You're awesome sauce. Never saying that again. Bye.